Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Today we're going to make another purse, and this is from empty tissue box. So you're going to cut the side of the tissue box and just keep the middle portion, and then you take a fabric of your choice. Satin would be better because it'll look good, and then you can use rhinestone to decorate it, and this one is made with rhinestone and pearl. So there are little and big and all sizes of rhinestones. So these are some big huge rhinestone, and then I have the little ones and I have the medium ones. So I got a big pack of rhinestone for $10, $9.99. So the big one I'm putting in the center. This is how I decorated. You could choose to decorate any way you wish. I'm just showing you what I did. So I used this long kind of like oval looking, so I used about 8 of them all around, and the middle one big one, and then I use some medium size ones, and then I use pearls. So it's a mixture of all kinds of rhinestones and pearl to give a nice look for this party purse. Now these are something you're not gonna wash it, so we're going to glue these things, and I am going to use my trusty glitter dimensional fabric paint, and just to drop the paint and push in your rhinestone. So it's very basic. So this is my tool for pushing it, and but for this big rhinestone you just push it through hand. You don't need a tool to pick up or push the big one. So the little one or the pearl, you need the tool or a tweezer to push it in. So just decorate first. Take the fabric, and then you use whatever glue or glitter paint you want, and then decorate, and then dry it for 2 hours. Then stitch all the sides. So I have stitched here 3 sides. One side was already stitched because I folded it right. So just skip basic stitch. You can do it in the machine if you like, but now you're going to put this on your empty napkin box, just like a t-shirt, and tuck it inside. So inside there will be a little bit of fabric, or you could just put a whole piece of fabric inside there to give it a lining. And then you push this one all the sides in such a way, like do it in a creative way, so it looks like a nice purse. So just tuck it in nicely, and then stitch all the side, and then stitch this side also. And then if you feel like you don't want your stitches to show, then you can put some glitter dimensional fabric paint on the side and dry that for 2 hours before you can do anything. So you see, as I tuck it in, it looks nice. Now I'm going to stitch these sides by pulling them, and stitch it such a way that both the sides same, and you give it a nice look. And also at the same time you cover completely your napkin box, so you can put a lining on it. You can just glue a lining and then put this one, so that way you have a lining and it'll look good. And it also won't show from anywhere that There was a napkin box. So now I'm just gonna have to rearrange the whole thing and stitch it some, and then later on I'll make the handles. You can put a handle or you can rearrange, stitch, put some pretty trim or some beads and sequin in the side, and you can put the handles out of pearl necklace. That'll be pretty. Just cut up a pearl necklace. So here you see two sides came out like this, and that's really cool because now I can use some snap buttons, and then I can close the purse that way, and there's a lot of space, so I can keep there my little mirror, my comb, my purse, my key, and my cell phone. So there are like lots of space. And as I told you, you can line the inside too before you put the side fabric. So now the way my fabric is, you can just glue a few velcro or glue some snap buttons, and then either way you close it. I think 2 or 3 buttons will do the job, and then you have yourself a nice clutch. But I'm gonna create some handles out of fabric. So as you can see, the sides are stitched once, and I'm going to give another stitch in the side, and I'm thinking about, if you don't like the stitches, you can always put some glitter dimensional paint all around on top of the stitches and then glue some beads. So here I'm giving us my second stitch to the side. It's very sturdy. The first stitch is a long straight stitch, and the second stitch is like this, and I can cover up all the stitches with glitter dimensional fabric paint, and just it'll look like a beautiful trim to put the paint such a way to make it a beautiful. Or you can just stitch a trim also, good golden color trim or silver color, depending on your rhinestone color, what is matching, what looks good. So you see which one is good, and you add that kind. But I'm just giving a very tight close stitches so it does not open up. So I have double stitch. One I did previously, and now I'm doing the second one to make it really tight. Now I'm making the handle. Handle is very easy. You take a long fabric, just measure it though how long you want your handle to be, and then just fold it and make it like a rope, so put the raw edges inside and then fold it again, and then just run through the machine or just hot glue them. And I stitched it, but you can easily hot glue them or run through a machine. And now the next part is I have to stitch this one to the purse. So I'm going to make 2 handles and stitch it to the purse, and that is just very easy. You can hot glue that part too. You don't need to certainly stitch it. I stitched it, and then I put 2 rhinestone, but you just can do the whole thing with hot glue. You don't need to do so much of stitching. I stitched it because I like the stitching, and also hot glue always burns the finger, so that's painful. So it's just use this fabric, fold it up like this, and then you just make the handles. It's easy. And on the handle at the bottom I also used 2 rhinestone. As I told you, you can hot glue the handles, and I stitched it. and then I used 2 rhinestone to cover up the stitches. And then the side you can put the trim or the glitter dimensional fabric paint all over your stitches so nobody can see the stitches. Then it's a pretty purse and it looks very beautiful because of these rhinestones. Yeah, I'm in love with this rhinestone and pearl purse. It's like, it looks so nice. It's like something you made it. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and I'll see you with many more. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.